Hey, what's up everyone? I'm here at RTA, my mechanic. You know, I had work done on my G35, you know, a bunch of drift upgrades. I got a diff, an angle kit. So yeah, before I get to seeing the results of the car, I'll show you guys what it was like, kind of just dropping off my stuff and getting work done. Alright, so there's the G on the lift right there. Reason being, as you can see, my diff's off. I got a torsion diff and corresponding bushings are done right here. Poly bushings all around. Transmission work. I downgraded from the stage 3 clutch because I don't need that. I don't have that much power. And in these boxes are my angle kit. So this is why the car hasn't been seen in a while. Popping this in the video. So it is going through an complete overhaul. So you can see right here the lower control arms, and then the drop knuckles right here, and then on the box below has the upper control arms, the A arms. So this is the PBM super angle kit, fully gonna replace my front suspension or front steering suspension for all that maximum angle. Very excited. And then once again, see right back here, still on my battle version arms, Parcha Max coilovers, and obviously the bushings that were all replaced right there. Poly for the diff, for the subframe right here, the subframe bushing right here, all poly, all upgraded. Very excited to drive this soon when it's all complete. And just so happened to be at the shop is my friend Alex. He's getting his car done for alignment, his 240 right here. And you see he's got one of my stickers, the Don't Suck Get Better sticker. He's going for the Kansai style, so he's getting his setup a little bit more squatted, getting it lined up for a drift event he's going to be going at. Classic Master Roshi Mob decal on the side, or the back right there. It's cool to see this thing again. As you can see, here's the G35 with the angle kit installed. Man, that thing is insane. That is a lot of angle. Technically, I can't really drift it yet. I have to do a whole, you know, break-in of my clutch. That still has to be done for about 500 miles. Same thing with the diff, but look at that angle right there. Can't really see because it's dark, but you know, full arms again. You see the knuckle, and still on thick ass tires. So as I break this in, eventually I'll do like a kind of review of this when I eventually get to take this out on the track. But this is what the car's looking like right now. Very excited to drive it soon. Stance is insane. And I also did my transmission work, downgraded to a stage 1 clutch from the stage 3 because it was a little bit too aggressive. I don't have like 600 horsepower to justify that. But it's here, my interior and everything's all good again. Chilling. RTA Motorsports, the one that revives this car and fixes it each time there's something wrong. But yeah, highly recommend Rudy. So I'm about to head out, but that's what the car looks stanced out. With the wheels facing forward. Again, thank you RTA. My boy Rudy, the main guy that worked on this car, did a fantastic job. Can't wait to start shredding again. That's it for today's video, quick one. Thank you all for watching, thank you all for sticking around for all the stuff that's been happening to the channel and what I've done with the car, and I'll catch you on the next one.